What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So in this video, I wanted to talk to you about the pros and cons of carrying around a bunch of credit cards. This is something that I wanted to talk about in the past, but I haven't talked about just because I've been caught up with Amex videos or Chase videos or things like that. So this should be a quick video. It shouldn't be anything long, but it should be straight to the point. So let's go ahead and get into that. But we're going to let you wait just a second because you need to hit the like button. You need to hit the subscribe button and comment down below. Let me know what you think of the video, of all my videos. Let me know. And remember that I do a giveaway, so stick around till the end of the video to hear all about that. But let's go ahead and get into this. Wallets. This is the first thing that I always talk about are wallets. I love wallets. I love all different types of wallets. So my wallet is something very thin. It's this Buffway wallet, and if you're interested in this, it'll be down in the description. Make sure you check it out. It's a really good wallet, really thin. But I get a lot of questions where they're like, you have 21 cards. How do you carry all of them around? How do you use them? First, how do you manage them? And second, like, do you carry around all the cards? And if you're familiar with my channel, no, I do not carry around all the cards. I only carry around about 5 at most, really. I don't ever try and carry around more than that. But I don't carry around all the cards, and there are reasons why, but there are pros and cons to carrying around all the cards, and let's go ahead and get into the cons first. So the first con that you would have is that you can lose all your cards. This is like the number one con. You do not want to lose one card, but if you lose 21 cards, that's horrible. I don't want you to lose 21 cards. Nobody wants you to lose 21 cards, right? So if you lose these cards, you ultimately get into the second con, which is the fact that you have to replace those cards. If you lose those cards, you think you're just going to let them sit out there and think that nobody's going to use them. People are going to take that information, and some people may take it to, like, the authorities may take it to the right places, but other people won't. So you're going to have 21 credit cards out there that you need to cancel, and you're going to have 21 accounts that you're going to need to cancel and change cards and do all this extra workaround in order to, have your information safe. So those are two big pieces that can really mess up your whole situation. So that's one reason or two reasons why you don't carry around all of your credit cards. Another reason is it's like having a book in your back pocket. I mean, you have this huge wallet, and not this one because this one's really thin, but you have a huge wallet that has 21 cards in there, or however many cards you have, and you're putting it in your back pocket, and it's going to hurt. You don't want that to happen. You don't need a book in your pocket. You don't need one of those big bricks in your pocket. So, don't carry around that many cards. Also, which I think probably is the most important, is that if you lose a card, you're not going to know that you lost it. So if you do lose it, the only way that you'll figure out that you lost it is when somebody starts using your stuff, using your information. And that's never a good thing. If you can't figure out what card is missing from your wallet, you're carrying around too many cards. I know that if my gold card was missing from my wallet, I would know. I would know if my Propel card is missing from my wallet. I would know if my green card is missing from my wallet. I would know what card is missing from my wallet because I pick and choose what cards I need to have each month. And you should not have more than, what you really need for that month. If you know you're not going to use it, don't carry it around. Now, if you feel like you are going to use it or you have the potential to use it, then, on some days, carry around that card, but then on others, don't carry around it because it just doesn't make sense for you to carry around a card that you're not going to use, every single day or at least, 2, 3, 4 times a month. So that's my opinion. Now, I could really go on and on with the list of cons because you shouldn't carry around that many cards in your wallet, but let's go ahead and get into the list of pros here just to basically make somebody feel good about the fact that they're carrying all their wallets. Now, I want to kind of put a little bit of emphasis on the fact that just because you have 5 cards in your wallet and you have only 5 cards that you own, that's okay. You can do that because you're not really carrying around so many cards that it gets, you can't really track it at all. But if you're carrying around 20 cards, that's a problem. If you're carrying around 10 cards, that's a problem. You're not going to use 10 cards, on a given day. You're not going to use 10 cards even, on a week or every 2 weeks, maybe in a month, but there's no reason to carry it around that many times. carrying around 10 cards every single day because you're going to use one card and then you may use another card another day, something like that. That's stupid. So if you have 5 cards, it's okay to carry around all of your cards. But if you have 10, 20, 30, whatever, however many cards, don't carry all of them around. So let's go ahead and get into the pros. So one of the pros would be that you get rewards on everything. So rewards on, all of your spending. You can basically pull out any card and get rewards. For me, if I did any type of spending, I could find a way to get more than 1 times back. So that's obviously a good thing, but I don't want to carry all of my cards. And one, it's also a budgeting nightmare because you never know what you're going to spend money on. If you don't know what you're going to spend money on, then that's a horrible situation. You do not budget the right way, and you need to find a way to budget the right way. So it can give you a lot of rewards. Another pro is that it allows you to know where your wallet is at all times. I mean, you're pretty much carrying a brick in your back pocket, so you'll know exactly where it is. If somebody tries to pickpocket you, you'll know where it is. You know that somebody took it out of your pocket. So that's obviously a pro, right? It's not an amazing pro, but it is a pro. And the last pro that I have here is that you always have another card. And what I mean by this is, if you break a card, or if the strip gets scratched, or the chip gets scratched and you can't, use that card. Let's say you have all Amex cards in your wallet like I do, but then I only have one filler card that's a MasterCard, which I can use in different places. But if the chip or the swipe is messed up, now I can't use any cards. So that can be a pro because you're carrying around so many cards that you can find a way to use, you can use some card. But looking at all of these things, looking at the pros and cons, I would say it's more of a con to carry around all of your cards in your wallet. I wouldn't recommend doing it, and you should not do it. If you are doing it, make sure you find a way to get the credit card organizer. I don't have it with me. It's somewhere around here. But the credit card organizer, and I'll have that link down in the description so you can organize your cards. And then anytime you need to go through what cards you can use for that month, you can find a way to use it. So that's my little breakdown, guys. Let me know if you like it. I just want to help people out because there are some people that I know that carry around a brick wallet and all of their credit cards are in there. And I'm like, what are you doing, man? You're going to get your stuff stolen. And you need to understand this. You need to be aware of this. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you hit the like button on this video. Also hit the subscribe button for more videos just like this one. Remember that I do a giveaway every single week. I give away 2 Amazon gift cards at the end of the week, and all you have to do in order to enter that giveaway is just comment on at least one video for the week, like at least one video for the week, and also be subscribed to both of my YouTube channels. You have to be subscribed to this channel and my podcast clips channel to be entered in the giveaway. If you're not subscribed, you're not going to be entered in the giveaway. So please, I just want to put emphasis on subscribing because I really want to give away these gift cards and give back to subscribers, people that are supporting me. So thank you so much. But that's my video. I'm going to have to get out of here, and until next time, I'll see you guys later.